One of the days of students in rows of desks passively listening to the teacher and writing notes from the board. These dated learning environments demoted creativity and discouraged students from authentic learning. As the world saw the rise of computers, the internet and modern technologies, so did the education system. Students are now more than ever before able to access devices and technology that they are able to create understanding and take ownership of their learning. Teachers have access to a vast range of resources and software to guide their students' learning and change any lesson from the ordinary to the extraordinary. And in this video, I intend to explore with you just a handful of them. Photo allows students to edit photos with crop, resize, filter and a range of other editing functions. This software is useful for students as it allows them to put the technological skills into practice. Students can learn to scan an image onto the computer, then turn it into a JPEG file to use it in other softwares. As a teacher, you can explain how by turning the image into a JPEG file, the image doesn't lose the quality of its original form. Photo is useful as students can create collages and edited photos for posters and presentations. But photo can be used very creatively by their teachers, as they can use these created images and collages to prompt discussion with their students on a topic, for picture talk, to develop vocabulary and describing language, and to create engaging cue or memory cards, just for an example. TagZito is a free online software that creates visually appealing word clouds. By putting a selection of words into a software, it produces a cloud made of these words. The creator of the word cloud can then edit its color, font, theme and shape to suit their needs and purpose. The major benefit of this software is that it's highly user-friendly, so it can be easily taught to and used by all students of any ability and online competency. In the classroom setting, the software can be used effectively for language development, as teachers could create posters for their classroom to evoke students to think about a new topic and the language important to the topic. The software can also be used to analyze text and determine the important words in the text. As blocks of text can be inserted into the software, and the more the word appears, the bigger the word is in the word cloud. Students could even use TagZito or any other word cloud creating software at home to help them to learn their spelling words in a creative and innovative way. Microsoft Excel is often deemed as a difficult software to use, but when used simply, it can be a highly effective tool for linking technology and graphs for students. To ensure all students are capable of using Excel to create a graph by themselves, it is important that the teacher effectively models how to enter the data into an Excel spreadsheet and then turns the data into a graph. From there, scaffolding each student until they are ready to use the software independently is a must. An engaging way of combining Excel skills and maths and science skills would be to provide the student with a packet of lollies, for example. Then have the students predict what colours and how many each colour they think they have in their packet. From then, they can open their packet and see if their predictions were correct or not, and then put both their predictions and results into a graph. It would be useful for this to be first done as a class. Prezi, like Microsoft PowerPoint, allows the user to create presentations. However, Prezi allows users to create presentations online for free in a non-linear orientation, unlike PowerPoint. Prezi is also ideal for the school setting, as with internet access, presentations created by either staff or student can be easily shared. Students and teachers can innovate any form of presentation, as Prezi has a range of themes and backgrounds to suit most needs. Prezi presentations are also highly engaging, as you can zoom in and out of slides and the user can choose their own path and go back and forth between slides. Apart from making visually appealing presentations, students can use Prezi to create mind maps to help them visualize and then retain information. Similarly, teachers could create mind maps to introduce a new topic, especially an inquiry topic.